Thutha wa namba nene ya Kenya, aria ni makiria ya Kenya milioni 2.8 gwikora mafuku-ini moru ma ruhonge rwa ungania wa magoti rwa KRA, kuria aingi ao mekorete na faini undumwe na njoherera itarathira. Riu KRA ni hariirie njira ya Kenya ya gwikura hatika-ini no kwitukira mubango wa ruhonge ruru rio guthie na mbere nginyagia mweri wa gatandatũ mwaka ukite. Riu Akenya othe ni mahetwo mweke wa kuria KRA imehererie faini ciothe undumwe na njoherera ciothe irikoreriire hari mathire mao ma magoti hari ihinda riothe ria mbere ya Dithemba ya mwaka muhituku.
So this is a great offer to the taxpayers because it's going to ease their burden from the taxes that they need to pay the authority. So that's why we want to really create an awareness for them to enjoy this great offer.
Ado the mena pin, KRA pin, na nuraruta biashara hadu. Na dure wa file return ri, oka o file return hiyo. Penalties issue oko heo ni KRA ciothe ni kurutwo automatically.
Kuringana na Christine Macharia kuma ruhonge rwa KRA, unoguo mweke uria Akenya mangihuthira gwikura hatika-ini ya faini ici kuna kwambiriria mwaka ukite wa kigina. Kweherio kwa faini kana njoherera o ciothe gugakorwo ari mugaru wa watho.
Waiver was deleted from the act. Koguo no muhaka wauga nuraruta biashara na wina mbeca cia kuriha cirihe o uguo thaicio, otherwise penalties na interest iria ugakorwo nacio ri no muhaka ucirihe ciothe.
Ona Wakenya aria mari na faini kumana na gucererwo gucokia riboti ciao cia urehi wa magoti kana returns makorio kwa mweke gutheria maritwa mao kwitukira mutambo wa ITAX.
Any period before 31st December 2022 going backwards will benefit. So any taxpayer who accrued interest and penalties for those periods will benefit, and this includes taxpayers who did not file.
Arihi magoti makoneka gukorwo mambiriirie kuhimbiria ikinya riri kuria aingi ao marikitie guthengerio njoherera ici na faini na kwacoka kuriha magoti ma muigana wa ciringi bilioni 3.4, muigana uria tanyetwo kuongerereka nginyagia ciringi bilioni 10.
So the 17,000 taxpayers who have already started paying have paid 3.4 billion, and out of the outstanding taxes that they had as per when they started in September was 10.1 billion. So we still have 6.6 billion to collect from these taxpayers.
Mubango wa guthengerio mbegega ici cia magoti naguo kagwetwo gukorwo ri muhuthie ukiringithanio na miaka iria ingi, kuna gutiri uthurimi uri bataragio kumenya no kwehererio njoherera ici indi mundu o wothe okuiyuria ni akuguneka.
Wa apply payment plan ri in the system gutire approval. Wa apply wa submit uguo tu payment plan ni yaku ni waheo payment plan. So it is up to you. Niwe walk out, niwe uga ni ureda kuriha. Wa apply or how wa submit in the system payment plan ni waheo.
You can visit KRA website. You can go to Twitter, Facebook. We have been doing a lot of campaigns on this. You can visit your tax office. You can go to Huduma centers. You can also make a call.
Ni mweke uria heanitwo ni ruhonge rwa ungania wa magoti rwa KRA kuria arihi a magoti othe riu makiheo kanya ga gutheria rekondi ciao cia urihi wa magoti, mubango uria guthie na mbere nginyagia muthia wa mwaka turi wa kigina. Dunia Kameme TV ritwira ko ni Bataru wa Mwangi.